Xometry's mission is to maximize the world's capacity to build big ideas, large and small, but manufacturing activities incur a heavy environmental cost, from the extraction and processing of raw materials to transportation between suppliers, to the energy used in fabrication, to shipping parts to customers. We're taking a stand by giving customers the option to offset carbon emissions from each and every order. Here's how it works. After you upload parts to the Xometry Instant Quoting Engine, you'll now see a banner that says Offset Carbon Emissions above your quote details. You'll see exactly how much carbon your order produces and then can choose to offset 0%, 50%, or 100% of your emissions. Once your quote details are all set, navigate to the checkout page. You'll see the carbon emissions you offset calculated in your order total. That's it! Thank you for working with Xometry to combat climate change.